You have a Samsung refrigerator, and there seems to be a lot of ice building up on the bottom of the freezer compartment underneath the drawer. I'll show you how to. If you remove the couple of drawers there on the bottom, in the very back is where it has the automatic defrost, and there is a drain that goes into a little trough that's behind that plastic stuff there, and it will go down underneath the refrigerator and get evaporated. It is likely that the tube going into that little tray is plugged, and we're going to go. To purchase the right part, you're going to need to go ahead and look up the model number here. It is located inside the refrigerator compartment. Okay, I pulled the unit away from the wall here, and I unplugged it, and then I'm going to remove all these screws here and remove this lower. Now with all those screws removed, you can just simply pull the little back panel off. Okay, on the very back here, I did purchase a new part here. There is a very flexible hose. You just pull this out of the tray down below. That piece will fall off. And then there is another piece that simply pulls off of here. And then it is this that actually gets plugged up and does not allow it to drain very well. So we'll go ahead and put the new parts here in. They're only around $10–11 on the internet. We'll go ahead and vacuum these coils off here since we have it pulled out, and reassemble it. Okay, to assemble it, there is a small hole here that goes towards the tray, and this just simply slides up in here. Push that up onto that little nozzle that's sticking out, and then on the very bottom down here, this will open up and fit on that little unit there, and that'll drain into a tray under this coil here and then just evaporate. Okay, what we have here is all back together. That little hole is on the bottom. We'll take and put our little access panel on the back here. It'll hook in on the bottom, and we'll come up here on the top and I'll put the screws in. Now that it's locked in on those tabs down there, go ahead and put the screws in. Oh, I got that bottom panel screwed on. I'll go ahead and plug the refrigerator back in and push it back into place. Okay, after plugging it back in, we have a 5E code. What you want to do is the upper right and the upper left button. You want to push those in and hold it for about 10 seconds, and that will clear that code.